Narbonne. Narbonne is a commune in southern France in the Languedoc-Roussillon region. It lies 849 km, 528 miles, from Paris in Aude department, of which it is a sub-prefecture. Once a prosperous port, it is now located about 15 km, 9.3 miles, from the shores of the Mediterranean Sea. It is marginally the largest commune in Aude, although the capital is the slightly smaller commune of Carcassonne. Built by decree from Rome in 118 BC as a trading post along the newly constructed Via Dolmitia, Narbonne, then known as Narbo, grew to become the capital of the Roman province of Narbonensis, and one of the most important cities in southern Gaul. Following the departure of the Romans, it became the capital of the Visigoths, when they moved in during the 6th century. However, a series of disasters during the Middle Ages took their toll. Dikes burst, the port silted up, and the plague hit. Things only really improved during the mid-1800s, when the railway arrived, and the wine industry began to have success. Narbonne is linked to the nearby Canal du Midi and Aude River by
Canal de la Robine,
which runs through the center of town. The name is coming from the Iberian root Narb water, river, marsh,